consensus? When we got to the theater we were supposed to meet, there was no one there. So, because we were running late, we didn't get the little stickers that everyone has. So we've entered this little, I don't know what this is. This is so crazy. It's okay. It was really scary. Lemonade tree. So I feel like I'm being pulled upwards. All the water is flowing upwards, and then it's like an upside down waterfall. Arms right here. Oh my God, it's going so fast! Bye, Ariel. Is it deep? Yeah. Can't tell what's wall and what's not wall. All right, so part of the trip included taking everyone to the shopping area. I guess I didn't really read that. I didn't really want to do any shopping, so we found a little beach area and we're just gonna hang out. I think we have about 20 more minutes and then we can go back. Here's the beach. Apple store. It says iShop. I don't know if iShop means Apple store or not. I always knew you always meant it. We just ran from like over there to get to where over here is, where it's covered, because it was so hot outside. Holy yeah. All right, so we're gonna go into, where is it? You can't see it. There it is. Old Navy. Gonna go to Old Navy. I never meant to hurt you, but I hurt you, so sorry for that. Ariel needed a new neck pillow, so she got a teal one. Time to go. Now you need space, I get it, like you said, it's alright. Done with the shopping. Now we're headed back to the ferry so that we go back to Cozumel where the ship is. Somehow we like lost the group and almost had to go like through full security, but we got through our line. Alright, we're back on the ferry. I wanted to sit out there, but Ariel wouldn't let me. She said it's too hot. All those beautiful views you guys don't get to see. Blame it on Ariel. So I'm counting all the days till you come around to show me what you found. Since breaking from this misery, look, there's two more. There's two carnivals. This is the Symphony, and then these are two carnival ships. Look at that blue water. Alright, we're off the ferry and we're just headed back to the room. I have no idea what time it is, ship time. I don't know when we're supposed to be back on the ship. I just hope you'll end up knowing that I'm meant to last. Just walking, got a little confused, but I think we have to go this way. That was really confusing because we didn't have to walk like this when we came. Whew. It is hot. Alright, so funny story. My bag had to be searched because my water bottle has liquid inside. But it's not water, it's apple juice for me and Ariel. So she took the top off and she smelled it to make sure it wasn't alcohol. We are exhausted. We're gonna go eat. We're having Mexican today. Oh, believe me, we're the good ones. You know I always got your back. So please don't tell me that I broke us. How about that? Yes. There you go. What do you say?
Thank you.
Here, I'll do it.
A teeny tiny bit.
What?
And a little bit of vanilla sauce.
'cause I could never live with that. Oh, I never meant to hurt you, but I hurt you, so sorry for that. Now you need space, I get it, like you said, it's alright. So I'm
That's where we're going.
what you found since breaking from this misery. I wish that you could see me now that you're gone, 'cause you need to be alone, away from our chemistry. I just hope you.
And this is what Ariel looks like.
Hi. I am beautiful.
Cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Let me feel your love again. Cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to. Doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you, be with you.
Just doing a little shopping in Old Navy. Actually, we're just taking in the air conditioning because it feels good in here. And we're headed back to our room. And I just thought I was recording and I wasn't recording. So I'm not gonna say everything that I just said. We just got back to the room and there are our tickets.
All I saw was meat and cheese.
There is?